Hi folks, today we're going to be having a look at the parts that I use to make a tensegrity table. The illusion of holding up a tabletop with nothing. No camera trickery, just good old tension and a bit of fishing line. There's lots of tensegrity tables on the internet, so I thought I would have a go using stuff I had in my garage. A couple of speed clamps, a couple of wood blanks from a hobby store and some fishing line. Here we see the overall view of the table. It's mounted on a turntable, which turned out to be a bad idea because it wasn't exactly square and straight level. So the inevitable happened. As I turned it, the tension lost its tension and down it went. After rebalancing it, this is what we're looking at. So that's a wood blank top and bottom, clamps stuck into each blank, and fishing line tensioning it. The stuff you see on top is just to jam the fishing line in the holes so that tension is achieved. They could be plugged. Anyway, that's my tensegrity table. Hope you've enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.